So hi all, it's me Mohammad Najib Nazar. So welcome to the very first episode of It's Chart Time with the Secret Pivot, and it's also a chat time too. So this is a program which is specially designed for the derivative traders who is specially trading in Nifty and Bank Nifty. And this program, this chart analysis video contains two sections. The first one is, first of all, we will discuss and analyze what all matters happened in today's chart in Nifty and Bank Nifty chart, both in Nifty and Bank Nifty chart. What are the correlation between the prior day and today? And the second one is what you can expect for tomorrow. What are the important key levels, which is the main area which may a chance for a reversal, the turning points, the buy zone, the sell zone. The buy zone and sell zone is not depends on the support and resistance. We are trying to tell you the most important sell zone or the most important buy zone which the institution tends to sell or buy. That is the main sell or buy zone we are trying to tell you, or we are trying to show you, or we are trying to share with you. Okay, and the main moneyness area, or the main point of control area for tomorrow, that all matters we will discuss in this video. And furthermore, we are a technical analyst and we give maximum priority to the chart. We give only very less priority for the stock specific move or the news, the rumors, or the corporate results, or something which is not related to the chart. That's it. And also we will upload this analysis video as soon as possible after the market closes and before the evening 10 p.m. And the bonus point is, which is completely different from other YouTube videos, the other YouTube chart analysis videos, in every morning at 9 a.m. 9:10 a.m. 9:10 a.m. after the market pre-market report formed, pre-market report point formed in Nifty and Bank Nifty. In some days we will tell about Nifty, and some days we will tell about Bank Nifty. What is the opening print of that candle which you can expect in that particular trade or in that particular trading day? Okay, for example, in Monday and at 9:10 a.m. Maybe it's in Nifty or it's in Bank Nifty. It is completely our analysis is depend on what is the gap up or the gap down, what is the pre-market point formed. It is completely based on that. Okay, we will share with you what is the opening print of that particular trading day you can expect, or the particular trend of that day, which is more precisely than this chart analysis video. Okay, and before going to our topic, please subscribe our channel and please do the Telegram channel, and of course please do the Telegram discussion group too. The YouTube channel and the Telegram, the WhatsApp, all the links are in our description. You can check it out. Okay, so before further ado, let's jump into our first topic. What all matters happened on Friday? What all the candles formed? What are the points which is respected? What are the correlation between Friday and the coming Monday? Okay, let's jump into the topic. I'm sorry, one more thing to say before going to a topic. The point we are going to share with you, or point we are going to discuss in this video, it is very hard to see you when if you are watching it in a mobile. It is very hard to see the important points that I am telling in this video. So for a solution for that, after this video, after you are watching, you just go through our Telegram channel. What are the main points which we are going to discuss here will be, I will took a screenshot over there both in Nifty and Bank Nifty, and I will post it in the Telegram channel. You can mark it over there, mark it over from there. Okay, so as I said, this is you don't look this purple area, this blue area, this green area, that we will discuss when the second section came, that is what you can expect for tomorrow. Okay, first of all, we will discuss about what all matters happened in, sorry, there is so much of messages coming in my mobile, that's why. Okay, okay, what all matters happened on Friday. In Nifty, there was a huge gap down, which is due to some global factors. We will not aware about that. We took trade what the chart says. And okay, such was a huge gap down in Nifty and both in Bank Nifty. But Bank Nifty took the support at the previous day low. Okay, you can see that previous day low. This black mark is previous day low and it took support and formed a green candle. But Nifty also form a candle which is a buying pressure, but it is closed as red candle itself. But Bank Nifty give maximum support as possible, but Nifty at formed a red candle, and the very next candle that was a red Barboso, that is a bearish Barboso, which gives us a very good confirmation about that was a bearish day, going to a bearish day. And it took almost how many points? From 17,456 to 17,300, almost 200 points, and it took support from there. Bank Nifty also, the very first, the 5-minute candle for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, which means 12 5-minute candle is 16 minutes, which is 1 hour, 9:50 a.m. to 10:50 a.m., which is the initial balance is from this to this in Bank Nifty, and the initial balance in Nifty is also from this to this, and exactly formed a pin bar both in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So the initial balance is highly maintained and formed a pin bar both in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So surely you can consider a buy from here. Okay, surely you can consider a buy from here, and it's formed almost the day high. After that, after the mid-note, again this purple area is the monthly candle trend line, which is respected in this time, and again it was fall. These are the main things happened in Nifty and Bank Nifty on Friday. So let's Friday apart, let's discuss what you can expect on Nifty and Bank Nifty on Monday. On Monday onwards, what are the levels you have to be careful at the time. Okay, in Nifty in Monday there is a very narrow point of control area, because in Friday very less movement, because price opened here and it took support from here, and again it went into the day high, and after again it will fall, because it was a range bound area in Friday. So surely in Monday it will be a very point of control area is very less in this day. So it will be high chance for a trending day for Nifty on Monday. But you have to be careful at these 2 points. 17,530 to 570. This area, high chance for a reversal area, and also the monthly pivot. This blue dotted line is the monthly pivot line, and this yellow 503. This is the 20 exponential moving average. So the 3 points were the 3 important key points level were coming nearby. So the 20 EMA, the monthly pivot, and of course there is a virgin CPR. So these 3 important points were coming together in a specific area. So surely this area will respected surely by the Nifty, and of course there is a high selling zone, which is these are the area which is institutions tends to sell. It is completely based on the look back period chart history. It is shown that institution tends to sell at this particular point of area. So there is a lot of area which is going to be a resistance for Nifty, and support zone is completed. There are 3 times the Friday respected this point 17,303. If it is broken to, you can take this as a 17,236 to 17,177. This area will be a chance for a reversal for Nifty. But coming to the Bank Nifty, as you can see that Bank Nifty is a light point of control area, which is not very narrow CPR comparing to the Nifty. You can also see that Bank Nifty also have a strict resistant area over here, and of course there is this is the as I told monthly pivot. Okay, monthly trend line pivot, and of course this is the area, the yellow area is the 20 EMA line for Bank Nifty. So you have to be more cautious on this area while Bank Nifty moving upward, and you have to be more cautious downward in this area. More than this yellow line, you have to be more careful for this area in Bank Nifty. So as you can see, these are the important points you have to be careful for Nifty and Bank Nifty. But at the time of trading, you have to be trade like in this way. Okay, always trade Nifty and Bank Nifty in this way, because whenever you get an opportunity for the Nifty, if you get an opportunity to trade, there is a breakout from over here, or there is a breakout over here, you get a candle like a green candle like here. But Bank Nifty, if in this area, there is a high chance it will disrespect this breakout. Okay, so always to trade, both have a breakout opportunity and both have a reversal area. If the Nifty is in this area and Bank Nifty also in this area, there is a high chance for a reversal in both in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So took trades accordingly. Okay, so you guys please mark these levels. There were in both Nifty and Bank Nifty, it will be, I think, a range bound day for Monday, because in upper area 17,500 to 17,578, it will be act as a resistance. In Bank Nifty, this will be act as a resistance, and of course in Nifty it will be a support for Nifty, and it will be support for Bank Nifty. So please trade accordingly. And this is our first video, so there are a lot of mistakes that while I am speaking in Nifty, that while I am speaking in English. This is the first time I am speaking in English in front of a camera. That's why. So hope we will improvise as much as possible for the coming videos. Okay, that's all for today. So goodbye, good night.